person who's sitting with me, he has survived cancer.
Mama, I said, these symptoms, no, they, I think, it can be cancer also. But then she was like, no, she said, nahi, Allah हमारे साथ इतना बुरा नहीं करेगा. So the moment I saw the report, I was like, people who drink, people who smoke get cancer. I don't drink, so I will not get it. So this was the thought. One aunt came, she saw me and she started crying like, Baba, kya hua tere ko? God is not taking us old people, He's taking all young people like you are falling sick like this. And she started crying. My dad started crying. Mom, I ran away inside. Otherwise, I would also start crying. Everybody would start crying. I took cancer as a curse. So when I got to know कि माका cancer झाला, I didn't want people to know. There were 2 nodes over here in the chest. Okay, so these nodes were in the mediastinal node, something you call it, and they were like just compressing the nodes. So because of that, I was coughing. Like if I start at 8 o'clock in the night, I would cough till 10 o'clock. One, it can be something called sarcoidosis that goes by itself. Second, he said it could be TB. And third, it could be cancer. Cancer and this TB and the sarcoidosis, they are like twins. Okay. So it's difficult to distinguish what is what. The whole process, which started in January as a cough, in November it was found out, yeah. So like 10-11 months it took me to realize that, okay, it is cancer.